Elementor tutorial video, I'm going to show how to make an Elementor Flexbox container full height or full screen on any device such as desktop, mobile or tablet. Okay, so firstly what you need to do, let's add a container over here, Flexbox container. Great. Now what you need to do for the visibility, I'm going to go to style and add a kind of color to it. I think I can add a green color. Great, a color like this so you can easily see it. To make the container cover up this entire screen height, what you need to do, you need to click on this container and go to layout, and over here minimum height you change to from pixels to uh, VH. VH means view height. Okay, for minimum height you change to VH over here. It is already I've already changed to VH, and over here you put in 100. 100 means it will take up this Flexbox container will take up 100% of the view height. Okay, and it doesn't matter whatever screen it is. It can be a tablet. Great. It you see that it automatically takes the entire screen size. Also on mobile, it will take on the entire screen height. And but if you can also change it. If you make it 50, it will take up 50% of the screen size. Or you can also make it something like 80. Great. I'll make it 100. Now you see that it takes up the entire screen height of any device you are going to use, and it will take up automatically. Great. So I hope that you have found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank